Singing Sarah here from Sunflower Music with this week's Sing and Rhyme Storytime from the Lawrence Public Library. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Can you get a beat going and sing with me? Hey everybody, hey, hey, hello. Hey everybody, hey, hey, hello. Hey everybody, hey, hey, hello. It's time for some music. Wave your hands everybody, hey, hey, hello. Wave your hands everybody, hey, hey, hello. Wave your hands everybody, hey, hey, hello. It's time for some music. Wave your body everybody, hey, hey, hello. Wave your body everybody, hey, hey, hello. Wave your body everybody, hey, hey, hello. It's time for some music. We're going to do a little rhyme here that has a pattern of body percussion, and it goes pat, pat, clap, clap. Can you try that with me? Pat, pat, clap, clap. And it keeps going, and then follow some of the words of the rhyme. Pumpkin, pumpkin, pumpkin bread. Pumpkin, pumpkin, pumpkin head. Pumpkin, pumpkin, pumpkin pie. Pumpkin, pumpkin, pumpkin eye. Pumpkin, pumpkin, pumpkin cake. Pumpkin, pumpkin, pumpkin shake. Pumpkin, pumpkin, pumpkin stew. Pumpkin, pumpkin, pumpkin boo. Let's do it again. Ready? Pumpkin, pumpkin, pumpkin bread. Pumpkin, pumpkin, pumpkin head. Pumpkin, pumpkin, pumpkin pie. Pumpkin, pumpkin, pumpkin eye. Pumpkin, pumpkin, pumpkin cake. Pumpkin, pumpkin, pumpkin shake. Pumpkin, pumpkin, pumpkin stew. Pumpkin, pumpkin, pumpkin boo. Excellent. Nice surprise boo at the end. Let's do our story next. Our book today is Little Blue Truck's Halloween. I love this Little Blue Truck book because of the lift the flap. It's always fun to see if you can guess what's under the flap. And this one is the animals are all dressed up in costume and we have to guess which animal it is. The author of this book is Alice Shirtle. Author, author, what do you do? I write the words in the book for you. The illustrator is Jill McElmurray. Illustrator, illustrator, what do you do? I draw the pictures in the book for you. Little Blue Truck and his good friend Toad are going to a party just down the road. Beep, 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 says Little Blue. It's Halloween, you come too. Who's that in a tutu striking a pose? Up on the tiniest tips of her toes. Under the mask, who do you see? Who do you think that is? Which animal? Quack, says the duck. It's me, it's me. Who's this clown with a big red nose and a cap that jingles wherever he goes? Under the mask, who do you see? This one's a little tricky. Bat, says the sheep. It's me, it's me. Who's this queen with a golden crown and sparkling jewels and a velvet gown? Under the mask, who do you see? Moo, says the cow. It's me, it's me. What scraggly hair, what funny teeth. Who is hiding underneath? Under the mask, who do you see? Oink, says the pig, it's me, it's me. There's a fancy feather on the pirate's hat. Who's dressed up in a hat like that? Under the mask, who do you see? Cluck, says the hen, it's me, it's me. Looks like they've made it to the barn, to the Halloween party. A dragon's head and dragon wings. Who's that wearing those dragon things? Under the mask, who do you see? Which animal is it? Nay, says the horse, it's me, it's me. Croak, says the toad, there's just one more. Has anyone seen this ghost before? Who is it? Oh, it goes this way. Off comes a sheet, it's you know who. Little blue truck says beep, beep, boo. Little blue truck was dressed as a ghost, wasn't he? So fun. The end. Do you know what your skeleton is? It's all the bones inside of your body. And we're going to do a song where we get to dance those bones and find the different bones in our body. And the bones, you can feel them, right? Sometimes you can feel really hard, bumpy parts. That's our bones. So let's get out an instrument that can kind of make a loud or clacking kind of sound. Maybe a jingle bell, or if you have a castanet, or even some measuring spoons, that would work great. And our first part, we are going to dance, just sort of freestyle dance. And this is Dem Bones by Casper Baby Pants. Come on, skeletons, move your bones now. Come on, skeletons, move your bones now. Come on, skeletons, move your bones and dance around. Come on, skeletons, shake a little louder. Come on, skeletons, shake a little louder. Come on, skeletons, shake a little louder, make a sound. Come on, skeletons, twist a little lower. Come on, skeletons, twist a little lower. Come on, skeletons, twist a little lower to the ground. Come on, skeletons, quiver and a shiver. Come on, skeletons, quiver and a shiver. Come on, skeletons, quiver and a shiver, jump around. Can you jump? Dem bones, dem bones, dem dry bones, dem bones, dem bones, dem dry bones, dem bones, dem bones, dem dry bones, shake dem skeleton bones. All right, now let's take that instrument or your hand and find the part of your body that it sings about. The toe bone's connected to the foot bone, the foot bone's connected to the ankle bone's connected to the leg bone. Now shake dem skeleton bones. The leg bone's connected to the knee bone's connected to the thigh bone's connected to the hip bone. Shake dem skeleton bones. Dem bones, dem bones, dem dry bones, dem bones, dem bones, dem dry bones, dem bones, dem bones, And some of those words were kind of silly, weren't they? Like it said our neck bone was connected to our head bone. We don't really call it our head bone. Do you know what we call this? It's our skull. Yeah. And there's actually some different kind of bones. There's our jawbone in there. So anyway, but it's sort of a fun song to do, especially when we start seeing some skeletons around during this time of year. I hope you had fun tonight with our Halloween themed story time, and that you all have a very happy and safe Halloween. And I will see you again soon. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye, my friends. Music was fun today. I'll see you soon again.